Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to leave a review on a Facebook page and recommend businesses or brands. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook application on your phone. You'll land on the Facebook homepage where you can browse posts and pages. Scroll down and find the page you want to review. Tap on it to open the Facebook page. Once you're on the page, tap on Reviews in the Details section. This is where you can view existing reviews and leave your own. Facebook will ask if you want to recommend this page. Tap Yes if you want to recommend it, or No if you don't. Now, write your review or recommendation in the text box. Share what you like about this page, your experience, or why you're recommending it. Then tap Done to confirm your review text. Before posting, change the audience setting to public so your review is visible to everyone on Facebook. This helps other people discover the page. Now, tap Share at the bottom to post your recommendation to the Facebook page. Then it will ask you to add photos you can add or skip the step. Tap on Skip. Your review has been successfully posted. Your recommendation helps friends and other Facebook users discover pages you love. And that's how you leave a review on a Facebook page. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more Facebook tips and business page tutorials. Thanks for watching.